Ka Sorkar Jilah Kesni Balang kala Mynjur ban Pynkiew ya Khusnam Meghalaya de award na ka Shilak Sha ka Arlak tingka. Mentirang ba ka Jilah konrat ke sang mau laong ba ka nega Khusnam kala ne nadu usnem jar khatsau. La pentip ba nang ne shikmat ki ba apply ban yo ya ka nega Khusnam kila ban tap da ka online khnang ban pensuk ya ki ba apply. Ha ka wei ka liang mentirang ba la pentip ba ka Sorkar menta ka sngi kala Mynjur ru ya ka Meghalaya Public Commission Policy jar pusau. Kali ke polisi kala sa teng la kham slem namar bakatna DIPR kamla banle hakarukom kababiang.
The revision of the guidelines for the Meghalaya Day Awards. So we have made two changes in this. The first is that we have decided to increase the amount of award from 1 lakh to 2 lakhs. As you know that this was done last in 2013. So therefore we feel the amount of 1 lakh may not be significant or sufficient. So we have decided to double it. So now from 1 lakh it will be increased to 2 lakhs. And number two, we have decided to also make the applications now online, which means it doesn't have to be sent through a particular department. Now individuals can recommend other individuals also through an online system, like is done for the Padma Shri and other national awards. We are also now opening it up, broadening the entire process so that more people can recommend names directly through the online system. The last agenda that we had taken up today was the approval for the Meghalaya Public Communication Policy 2024. And I'm sure you all are aware about this also because there's some consultation was done with the media also. And as you're aware that this policy is pending for a long time in the sense that the DIPR has not really been able to perform in an optimum manner and be able to do the different responsibilities and activities that a DIPR should be doing. And hence, this particular policy will now streamline the entire strategy in which the government to people connect and the government to people communication, the different aspects of having the different infrastructures and different systems in place, small things like having different spokespersons in different departments, important departments to give immediate information to the press, and all these other aspects are there. I don't think there'll be enough time for me to go through all the provisions of this particular policy. But as I said, it is mainly meant to kind of give a proper direction towards the communication between government and the citizens, and to also increase the overall trust and transparency in the system. And that's why this policy has been brought in, and this policy today was approved by the cabinet.